Hey, what's up everyone, Ollie here. So, I am a big user of Notion. I have mentioned Notion so many different times in so many of my sort of Mac app roundup sort of videos and just services that I use day to day. I use Notion every single day. Like, I'm not even joking, I actually use it every single day. And I've mentioned it countless number of times in Mac app videos, sort of roundup videos, and just my sort of favorite Mac apps that I use day to day. Yeah, Notion is definitely probably the app that I use the most, you know, when I really think about it. I'm using it for the scripts, for the bullet points, for my YouTube channel. I use it for organizing my life, especially when it comes to like going on holiday and stuff, going through where I need to go, what I need to take with me, things like that. Notion has become basically an essential part of my life. So I was really pleased to hear that they're bringing AI to Notion, right in Notion itself. They wanted to sponsor a video and basically for me just to run through Notion AI, show you what's possible and what you can do with it. So before I get into using Notion AI myself, I wanted to show you the website quickly, just to show how Notion are thinking about AI. So yeah, introducing Notion AI, access limitless power. I think that's definitely a big selling point for me, having AI right in Notion itself. I don't have to go to any other sort of app. I don't have to go to any other sort of website to use AI. It's built right in. So if we scroll down, they do have a quick little demo video going through Notion. So yeah, it looks like Maya has a deadline coming up. She needs to do a presentation. She has some sort of like action points and whatever. Here she's using AI to find action items based on basically what she needs to get done. I think this is actually a really good demo of what you can do with Notion, what you can do with the Notion AI to basically just make your job a bit smoother, a bit quicker, get things done that maybe otherwise would take quite a bit of time. So here she is asking AI to rewrite that piece of text in a more sort of confident manner. That is pretty awesome actually. Even I didn't know you could do that. Rewrite the conclusion, yeah, done. That's it. That is the demo video they have. If we scroll down, it looks like they're just going through again what you can do with it. Automate tedious tasks, action items, summaries, takeaways, write better, communicate with confidence, again what they demonstrated in the video. Fix spelling and grammar. Spelling and grammar, especially for me, has been an issue. So being able to use something like this to fix that is fantastic. And editing the voice and tone of maybe an email or a message or something like that in here, that's pretty clever, I think. I also like the use simpler language option. So if you have a tendency to maybe overcomplicate things, or maybe you can explain things in your way, but you want to make it even simpler for someone who doesn't fully understand the subject or whatever you're talking about, that's a fantastic thing to use, right? If we continue scrolling, think bigger, conquer writer's block, which is definitely an issue for me when it comes to coming up with video ideas and stuff, coming up with script ideas. Just having something to sort of get started with, to sort of kick me off, can really help me come up with some ideas and come up with scripts for videos. And then they have the pricing section, and you can see the pricing for this, $10 a month. It's cheaper than Grammarly Premium, ChatGPT Plus, and Jasper. And I know, especially with some of these other services, sometimes you can't even access them, even when you are paying for the premium version. But with Notion, it looks like you can access it all of the time, as long as you're paying for it. So here I have an empty document in Notion. And to get started, we can just simply hover over Start Writing with AI. And straight away, it will give us some ideas on how to get started. So brainstorm ideas, blog post, outline, social media post, press release, creative story, essay, and I have a few more things as well. So we can do something like creative story, write a creative story about Ollie going to the moon, like so. And now it will come up with a story of me going to the moon, which is just, I think, pretty brilliant if I do say so myself. And it's crazy how quick it is. Literally, what, I was just speaking for a few seconds there and we already have a short story, and we can get it to continue writing as well. So continue writing, and it'll carry on with basically writing the story for my journey to the moon. So that's just one way to use it. Let's do something else. So brainstorm ideas or ask AI to write. Let's do something about my upcoming Iceland trip. So I'm going to Iceland. Maybe I need to come up with a video idea for Iceland. So brainstorm ideas, videos about Iceland. Let's see what it comes up with. A travel vlog, documentary style vlog, cinematic tour. This is, bloody hell, this is actually really good. A vlog exploring the natural wonders of Iceland, such as the Blue Lagoon. Cinematic videos capturing the stunning northern lights. There's a lot of stuff here. There's a lot of good ideas here actually. One of the ones I can already see myself using and doing is the sort of the first one, a travel vlog exploring the natural wonders of Iceland. That's pretty awesome. I also like the day in the life video, maybe following some other adventurers as they hike on top of a mountain. So yeah, some pretty good ideas here. So let's say we're pretty set on our idea of a travel vlog in Iceland, but now I want to come up with a script for it. So we can do something like ask AI to write a script for a vlog exploring the natural wonders of Iceland, like so. And now it should start writing a script. There we go, straight away. Hey everyone, I mean, it's very short for sure. We can actually make it longer, so we can make it longer by doing this like so, and it will start making it longer. However, it's not going to completely replace the script writing process for me. It's not going to completely replace basically what I'm going to say on camera. This for me would be more sort of a starting point, giving me some ideas and just giving me some inspiration of what to do and what to cover when I go to Iceland. Like for example, I'm already liking this one here where it talks about one of the glaciers, and this glacier is the largest in Europe, covering 8% of Iceland. So it's giving me facts as well, which is very useful. Interesting fact as well, I think. Like, there's something that I could definitely see myself including if I were to do a travel vlog of Iceland. I could even take that a step further. So maybe I want some more facts about Iceland. So I could do something like ask AI to write a bullet-pointed list of facts about Iceland. Like so. And now it will give me a bullet-pointed list of some interesting facts about Iceland. Population, the language, where it is, just other sort of interesting things about Iceland that maybe I wouldn't know. So we can even make it longer as well. And now it won't actually make it into bullet points, it'll actually just make it into full-on paragraphs and sentences. So there's a lot you can do here. The idea is that Notion AI is unlocking your creativity. Maybe you have a blank page and you don't really know where to start. The idea is that you can use it just to spark some ideas, just to spark some inspiration, so that you at least have something down and then you can develop it further from there. Another place where Notion AI can help you is just to save time. So let's just say I want to share information about my favorite film, Interstellar, or something like that. I don't really want to spend an hour writing, or a couple of hours writing about the film Interstellar, but I can have Notion AI do that for me. So maybe I have Notion AI ask me to write, yeah, let's do a blog post about the movie Interstellar, like so. So here we are, Notion AI is giving me a blog post about Interstellar. This is actually pretty incredible because it's a well-developed blog post here. This could easily be uploaded somewhere or whatever. Let's just say it's too much though. Maybe we want it to be a bit shorter. So maybe I select all of this and then I ask AI to make it shorter, like so. Now we'll make it shorter so that maybe I can just copy this part and give it to someone else. So I can insert below, yeah, and that's a little bit shorter. So here we have the first bit, and then now we have the shorter version here. So I can see myself, maybe you have a blog where you're writing about your favorite books or your favorite films or something like that. This could help you write those blog posts. This could help you write those pieces without having to spend hours of your own time doing it yourself. Another way Notion AI can help is by helping you write your emails. So let's just say I want to write a sort of email or a cover letter applying for a designer job. So help me write an email applying for a designer role at a tech company, like so. And now it will pretty much write the email for us. All we have to do is obviously put in our name, put in any other sort of relevant information, and of course you do have to modify it. If you do actually use it for something like this, enter your own experience, enter your own skills, enter your own portfolio, stuff like that. But it's just so impressive to me that it pretty much writes the body of the email for you. Like, you really don't have to think about it. That for me makes it so powerful, so underrated, because I know for a lot of people, when they're applying for a job or when they're emailing someone, you can get nervous. You can not feel comfortable. You don't really know what to say. And at the same time, you're kind of worried about how you portray yourself. This can help you angle yourself in the way you want to. Maybe you want to come across as more confident. Maybe you're struggling just to write something about yourself. This can help you with that a lot and just make your life a lot easier. So I've been really impressed with Notion AI myself so far, but I feel like I'm only just getting started. Notion AI hasn't been around for long. Sort of AI programs in general haven't really been around for long. So it will be really interesting to see how this develops, how you can use it to sort of make your job easier, make your creative life easier, make just your life in general easier, just to do things that maybe otherwise before would have taken a lot of time, or maybe things that you would have struggled with. I'm really looking forward to using it more in my daily life, especially when it comes to writing scripts, videos, coming up with ideas, and just research in general. It's going to make my life a lot easier. And I think for $10 a month, I think it's worth it. I think that's a great price. So if you guys are interested, make sure to check out Notion. I will of course leave a link to it down in the description below. Yeah, check it out. I think you get up to 20 sort of prompts for free, so you can try it out for free, 20 different prompts, and then if you like it, you can subscribe. Like I showed earlier, compared to other AI programs, Notion is definitely one of the cheapest, and I think it's just worth giving it a shot. So usually when it comes to the end of the video, I do have an outro, but I'm going to let Notion AI write my outro for me. So let's go to start writing with AI. Let's do write a small outro for a YouTube video mentioning that Notion AI is only $10 a month. Let's see what it comes up with. Thank you for watching this video about Notion AI. We hope you find it, I'm not really sure this is my sort of language, but we hope you found it informative and helpful. If you're interested in trying out Notion AI for yourself, you'll be pleased to know that it's only $10 a month. With this affordable price, you can enjoy all the benefits of Notion AI and streamline your work processes like never before. Don't hesitate to sign up today and take your productivity to the next level. Now, I'm not sure I would end the video like that, but it's pretty good. It did a pretty good job. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter and subscribe for more.